Hello, this is Jack from Fengchi. This is our booth. You can see today in our booth there's a lot of customer visited. This is from Middle East, and you can see also we have the Chinese customer as well, and some of customer from Japan. And I would like to show you, this is our UV machines. Here is a demonstration. This is our foreign customer. They're checking. And also, we have the flute laminating machine here. I would like to show you the demonstration. Here is the demonstration, you can see. This is our sales director, Steven. And this is our booth, as you can see. This is our best-selling staker. And this is our flute laminating machine. So I would like to invite you to our booth today, and you can contact us. Tomorrow we're gonna finish the exhibition, so still you have one day left. So please join us, contact us, and visit our website